Una they see the eye where they use look una now. You dey see am. Now the eye of say una need to learn French. Learn pass bonjour merci. Learn French like you sabi speak am. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, Madam Monsieur, I don't come to teach you now basic French language. Basic, in case you find yourself for France or you find yourself for any other French-speaking country, you go know how to talk. You go know how to communicate with people. So, if you know you want to learn French, quick, tap follow button. May you begin follow me because this year, so we must learn something. We must learn past bonjour merci. We must learn past au revoir ça va. We must learn past some. Okay, so what are you waiting for, guys? Tap on the follow button because I'm going to be teaching you some basic French language that is going to help you while speaking to the locals in a French country. Okay, tap follow button and let's go learn French together. And welcome, guys, to Travel with Hannah Ojo. This is first of its kind with Travel with Hannah Ojo. So it's something different, something new, it's something entirely different from what we've been doing before. So in this video and subsequent video that you will be seeing, I'm going to be teaching you the basic French language in a very interesting way. So don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. Okay, so the number one thing I'm going to be teaching you in the French language will be identifying who you are, like je, tu, il, elle, vous, nous, il, elle with S. And what does this mean? Je, that is I. Tu, that is you. Il, that is him. Elle, that is her. Vous, that is vous, you, everybody. Nous, that is we. Il, that is they, in masculine. And elle, that is they, in feminine. So French language is categorized into two words, which is feminine and masculine. So this is what makes it difficult for people to be able to identify the difference between feminine word and masculine word. It's hard. Even me as I speak, I still find it difficult to be able to identify these differences, but it's okay. As time goes on, we are all going to learn together. Okay, so for example, if I want to tell you, I know most of you know je m'appelle, tu t'appelles, so what does that mean? Je m'appelle, that is I am called. Tu t'appelles, you are called. Il s'appelle, he is called. Elle s'appelle, she is called. Vous appelez, you are called, that is in a politesse way. Vous can be used for a lot of people, like maybe you have more than two people or two people, you can say vous appelez comment? How are you called? That is, what is your name? So that you use that for multiple people. And also you use vous for someone you have never met before or people that are older than you. So that's how you use vous. And then we'll go to nous. That means we are called, we are much, we are called. That is, nous appelez comment? And then we'll go to il, elle. That is, they are called in masculine and they are called in feminine, L with S. that is plusieurs people. Okay, so that's the number one basic thing I'm going to be teaching you today. And as time goes on, we're going to be learning more of the French word. But I'm not going to be going into too much details because, like I said from the beginning of this video, is just for me to teach you guys some basic French language that will help you